Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever needed a USB drive with multiple operating systems on it? Maybe Windows 11, Windows 10, and a Linux distribution all on the same USB drive. Normally, every time you want to create a new bootable USB, you need to format the drive and recreate it from scratch. That process takes time and removes everything already stored on the USB. This is where Ventoy comes in. Ventoy is a free and powerful tool that lets you create a multi-boot USB drive. After installing Ventoy on a USB drive, you simply copy ISO files directly to the USB. No need to recreate the bootable device again and again. Want to add another operating system? Just copy the ISO file. Want to remove one? Simply delete the ISO file. It's as easy as copy and paste. Let's see how it works. First, open your web browser and go to ventoy.net. You can find the link in the video description. Download the latest version of Ventoy for Windows. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder and run Ventoy to disk. Now connect your USB drive to the computer. Make sure you've selected the correct USB device. If your USB drive doesn't appear, click the refresh button. Before installing Ventoy, let's quickly understand the partition styles. By default, Ventoy uses MBR, which stands for Master Boot Record. MBR provides excellent compatibility with older BIOS systems as well as many modern computers. Another option is GPT, which stands for Guide Partition Table. GPT is designed for modern UEFI systems and supports larger drives and more advanced features. If you're using mostly modern computers with UEFI firmware, GPT is usually the better choice. To switch from MBR to GPT, click Option, then select Partition Style and choose GPT. Now click Install. You'll see a warning that all data on the USB drive will be erased. Click Yes to continue. After a few moments, Ventoy installation will be completed. Now open the USB drive in File Explorer. This is the best part. Simply copy your ISO files directly to the USB drive. Here I'm copying a Windows 11 ISO and a Linux ISO. You can copy multiple ISO files to the same USB drive. Wait for the files to finish copying. That's it. Your multi-boot USB drive is ready. Now connect the USB drive to the computer where you want to install an operating system. Start the computer and open the boot menu. Select the Ventoy USB drive. Ventoy will display a menu showing all ISO files stored on the USB drive. Use the arrow keys to select the operating system you want to boot. For example, choose Windows 11 to start Windows setup, or select the Linux ISO to boot into Linux. Pick the ISO you need and continue with the installation process as usual. And that's how you can create a multi-OS bootable USB drive using Ventoy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching.